and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is the silliest thing I've ever done in my life. How to make a Christmas tree with your hair. No reason at all, just for the fact of having a picture actually. So give this a like if you like this, and please subscribe to my channel down below. Just hit the red button and you'll be subscribed. It's for free, and let's get into the tutorial. Alright, let's see if we can do this, you guys. This is my first time doing something besides a voiceover, so bear with me. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna just do this, okay? Okay, we're gonna make a Christmas tree. Everybody loves Christmas trees, right? Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just parting it and making it like, it's barely, like leaving basically a little bit of hair all the way around my head. So that will go up over the top of what I'm fixing to do now. So this doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered up. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the Ponyo. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these. It's a cool like ponytail holder. It's a kind of like wire inside, and it doesn't pull in your hair, and it kind of just takes like the weight off of your hair. So we're going to use that. I'm just going to pull this up over the top. You want to just squeeze it together like that, and then we're going to bend one side and then the other side. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use donuts. So we're going to try to make this tall, right? So we want to try to make a Christmas tree. So we're going to use donuts. Have these 3 donuts. So we want the tree to go like this. So what we're going to do is use different sized donuts, and we're going to stack them up. So the first donut, it's not the biggest donut you could ever get. There's bigger ones, but I just decided to go with this one because I thought it's probably big enough, you know? I don't know who in their right mind would do this. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to kind of like pin this one around a little bit. Okay, so it sort of stays put. Oh boy. Literally. Okay. This is literally insane. Alrighty. Oh my word, you guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of like twist it around and then just pin it. This would be good for like absolutely nothing, you know. An insane Christmas party? I don't know. So I'm going to use these bigger pins and just try to like pin the back. What is going on? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl the part that's going to go up, that we're going to kind of like to make a Christmas tree out of. I'm going to use these. These are called Hot Sticks. They are from Conair. And I've used them for years. Like, I've literally had these since I was 11 years old, and they still work. So they work great for long hair. If you have long hair and you don't, they're not as damaging as a curling iron. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna curl the hair so that way it kind of like, we can make it look more like a Christmas tree. So if you really want to go out of the way, you could dye your hair green. Kidding. Just kidding. So while we're doing this, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I actually normally do actual normal hairstyles here on YouTube, but If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Just hit the red button down below. And that just means like you're helping out my channel, trying to, you know, I want to do this forever, so help a sister out and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. You know, we're not trying to be perfect here. We're just having fun. We're making a Christmas tree. It's Christmas. What other season would you be able to do something this insane? You know what I mean? So, also, on my Instagram, I'm Elizabeth Yates Hair now. I changed it from Elizabeth Paredes to Elizabeth Yates Hair for no other reason than it's just easier for everyone. I'm going to let them set for about 10-15 minutes. I just kind of lets the curls set, and it keeps them, you know, it cools them off and it curls them. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so almost done. So basically I just curled it to kind of make it easier, to make it look more like a tree, you know? I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, so you know what I mean. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, so I'm going to let some of them like fall down, and then I'm just going to like pin them. That's what I'm thinking. So you can always like tweak the shape. So I'm going to pull the back now. So you don't want to like smooth it up too much, because then you'll just kind of like lose the tree effect. So oh my goodness. If you want a good arm workout, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, so I'm just taking a ponytail holder. What I'm going to do now is just kind of like let them just kind of fall down naturally. So I think this will make it look more tree-ish. What is going on? Okay. So here I'm just tweaking with the shape, trying to like make it like more like this. Okay, you guys. So basically what I did was I'm just pulling, opening up the pin, and then just grabbing it like that, and then pushing the pin in. So that's kind of like how I got the general shape. So now I'm just going to spray it. I mean, this is just literally for fun, so I thought it'd be funny. I actually saw this hairstyle on Pinterest and I was like, definitely. And I thought, what if I just go ahead and make a YouTube video, you know? Why not? Alright. Now for the ornaments. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. So what I was thinking was just to like pin. Okay, so I'm just gonna like pin. We're gonna act like it's a tree. So we're just gonna go around. Again, these are from Dollar Tree. We're just gonna like try to decorate this like a Christmas tree. Like an actual Christmas tree. No idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna try. I lost some of the bulbs, FYI. Don't pull on it too hard. Okay, you can put them back on, so it's not the end of the world. I'm just kind of rearranging these where I want them to be and trying to like pin them. Now for the topper. I just attached a pin to a bow. I got all of these items at the dollar store, so there's no reason to spend a lot of money on this, obviously. Try to straighten it as much as I can. Can't have a lopsided Christmas tree, can we? Oh my word. So if any of you feel the urge to make a Christmas tree out of your hair from this video, please tag me. It'll be a good laugh, you know? Give it a good spray. And darlings, your Christmas tree is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't even know what to say. Have a Merry Christmas. If you got anything out of it but a laugh, then mission accomplished. So come see me on Instagram at Elizabeth Yates Hair. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if you like this tutorial, and comment down below. And I will see you guys next time for a more normal hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.